When I was forced into retirement at 66, I thought I was ready for the normal expenses. What I didn't plan for was the enormous cost of healthcare. Insurance, prescriptions, unexpected medical bills. It added up so fast that it scared me. The truth is, nobody tells you how expensive getting old can be. I realized I needed a backup plan and I needed it fast. That's when I discovered the Legacy Builders program. It gave me a way to generate daily income without taking away my freedom. The system I purchased was ready to go. No crazy learning curves, no additional fees, no hidden costs. It allowed me to focus on my health while securing my finances. Now I'm covering my health costs and making extra by working from home just 2 hours a day. So if you are even thinking about retirement, it's never too early to have a plan B. Put ready in the comments and I'll get back to you with my 6-figure blueprint and how you can get it to work for you too.